We, from Schakel Verzuimmanagement, perform the occupational health assessment for you. Being ill is not pleasant for anyone, especially when you cannot do your job for a long time. Your employer has recently asked us to investigate the best way for you to resume your work. One of our experts consults several parties to assess your situation. After having a conversation with you and the company doctor, we will review the various viewpoints and interests with input from your employer. Is it possible to return to your current job successfully? Or are there any difficulties? Are there any adjustments that can be made? Or do we need to look for other possibilities with your current or perhaps another employer? The assessment should provide insight into whether or not you can return to your current employer with adjustments, the so-called first track, or whether you should look for work with another employer, the second track. All scenarios are considered to assess how you can best resume your work. Our employment expert will use all the information to draw up an extensive advisory report. Above all, a report that will give you more clarity about your personal situation, possibilities, and future. Processing all the information and compiling an advisory report takes about 2 weeks. You and your employer will always receive the first version of this report for checking. If you agree with the report, then you will both receive the final report with advice from Schakel Verzuimmanagement about returning to your own company or organization, or work elsewhere. We understand that this subject can deeply affect you. Do you still have questions? Then feel free to contact us. Mail to info@schakelverzuimmanagement.nl or call to speak with one of our employees. 085 9023 999.